And Robert Martin. Here comes his youngest son, Josh, from Chambersburg with Robert's first pro stalker that went to Louisville back in about 1997 or 98 and did super well. It's called That Darn Deer. It's pro stock, 680 cubic inches at 7710. He's the first of 8. Is going to have this thing wound so tight it's going to give you goosebumps. This is going to be well over 5,000 RPM and 4,000 horsepower. If you're going to make a video, get ready because this is going to be an exciting class. Nutcase. Shirts and hats and decals and what have you available here behind me from the East Coast Pro Pulling League here at the registration trailer. Stop over there and check them out. All right, from right up on Lappin's Road, here comes the home girl of the track, Tara Moore Brittner, with More Agitation. Horsepower and RPM, that is serious. Very nice June case. Second place last Friday night in Shippensburg, former champion tractor, number 3 in current points, Corey Hoyt, with 4,000 horsepower of 970 out of Chick-Shinny. It's called Stress Case. Patriot. He built it, he drives it. He wants to do a good job this time in front of the hometown crowd on the hometown track. So good luck to Davey Moore with one more deer. This thing will give you goosebumps too. Wait till you hear the horsepower and the RPMs coming out of that pipe. appreciate their sponsorship. Okay, they got a picture of that. And now you can get a picture of Think Green from Chambersburg. Wait till you hear the RPMs. Super stock Case IH power from Valencia, PA. Brakes just in time before he got shoved into the wall, I hope. Well, there's no wall out there, and that's why they put the wall over here with guardrail. So that can happen, folks. Obviously, the left back tire was getting a little better bite than the right, and she pushed him over this direction.